Hi guys, I am Pasquale Venuti from Tomorrow Tooth, and today we are going to talk about one of the most important and critical part of restorative dentistry and prosthetic dentistry, how we engineer the kinematic space. So what is the kinematic space? The kinematic space is the space occupied normally by the cement, by the adhesive interface. It's the space between the restoration and the residual dental structure. So when we consider the force acting on the complex tooth restoration, we know that the force dissipates through the envelope, the surface of the teeth, through the dental structure, through the cement, the kinematic space, through the restoration. And today we are going to concentrate our attention on the kinematic space, on how to prevent the crack of this interface. So this interface, occupied generally by